Now let us see some more problems based on elimination method, and this is the problem of type 2. We have already solved the problems based on elimination method of type 1 in previous class. So now let us solve the second type of question, which is to be solved by elimination method. So your problem is the pair of equations are given and you have to solve it by elimination method. And problem is 1 by 7x plus 1 by 6y is equal to 3 and 1 by 2x minus 1 by 3y is equal to 5. This is the type 2 question. So many questions are given in your exercise of this type. So let us see how it will be solved. Let us solve it. Solution. So to solve this type of problem, 1 by 7x plus 1 by 6y is equal to 3. This can be written as 1 by 7 multiplied by 1 by x and plus 1 by 6 multiplied by 1 by y is equal to 3. Okay, this is equation first. And the second equation is 1 by 2x minus 1 by 3y is equal to 5. So this can be written as 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by x minus 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 by y is equal to 5. When we multiply 1 by 1, then we get 1, and 7 multiplied by x will be 7x. So this 1 by 7x can be written as 1 by 7 multiplied by 1 by x. Now you have, this is your equation second. Now in this type of questions we have used to put 1 by x and 1 by y as another variable. Let us suppose or put 1 by x is equal to u or a or b. You can let it any alphabet of English alphabet. So let us suppose it as u, or let us suppose it u, and this will be equation third, and 1 by y as v. This will be equation fourth. Now then we have your equation will be 1 by 7, and at the place of 1 by x we have to put u, and plus 1 by 6, at the place of 1 by y you have to put v, will be 3. And it can be also simplified by taking the LCM of 7 and 6. We have the LCM 42, and 7 6 are 42. 6 multiplied by u will be 6u, plus 42 divided by 6 will be 7. 7 multiplied by v will be 7v is equal to 3, and this implies that 6u when cross multiplied it will be 6u plus 7 v is equal to 3 2 are 6, 3 4 are 12. Let us consider it as equation fifth. And the second equation will be 1 by 2 and 1 by x. So 1 by 2, at the place of 1 by x you have to put u, and 1 by 3 at the place of 1 by y you have to put v is equal to 5. Now take the LCM of 2 and 3, which will be 6, and 6 divided by 2 will be 3. 3 multiplied by u will be 3u, minus 6 divided by 3 will be 2. 2 multiplied by v will be 2v is equal to 5. Nothing is denominator, so put 1 and now cross multiply it. It will be 3u minus 2v is equal to 3u minus 2v is equal to 5 6 ja 30. Let us consider it as equation 6. Now first you have to solve equation number 4, 5th and 6th, and after finding the value of u and v you have to put it in equation 3rd and 4th to get the value of x and y, because you have to find the value of x and y. So let us solve equation 5 and 6. Same process will be there. The coefficient of v in equation 5th is 7. So multiply equation 6 by 7. We are going to eliminate v here, and the coefficient of v in equation 6 is 2. So let us multiply equation 5 by 2. And the sign before v in both the equations are opposite. Plus sign is here and minus sign is in equation 6. So you have to add it. So let us write here multiplying equation 5th by 2 and equation 6 by 7, and hence adding we get what you have got. Let us write here. First multiply it. 2 6 ja 12u plus 2 7 ja 14v and is equal to 2 multiplied by 126 will be 252, and 7 3 ja 21u and 7 2 ja 14v will be equal to 7 3 ja 21. So it will be 210. Now let us add it. There is no need to change the sign because we are adding it. So it will be cancelled. The 14v plus and 14v minus will be cancelled. Then we have 2 1 3 and 2 1 3. 33u will be equal to 2 5 1 6 and 2 2 4. This implies that your u will be equal to 4 6 2 divided by 33. When you divide 462 by 33, it will be cancelled in 14 times. 14 3 ja 42 and 4 will be carried, and 14 3 ja 42 of 4 46. So you have got the value of u, which is equal to 14. Now put the value of u in equation 5th, or either in equation 5th or in equation 6th to get the value of u. I have to turn the page, so let us see from here. Now put the value of u is equal to 14 in equation 5th, and your equation 5th is 6u plus 7v is equal to 126. So let us put it. It will be 6u. So 6 multiplied by, at the place of u you have to put 14 plus 7v is equal to 126. Then 14 6 ja 84 plus 7b will be equal to 126, and this implies that 7b will be equal to 126 minus 6 minus 84. So 7b will be equal to 6 minus 4 will be 2, and 12 minus 8 will be 4. Then the value of b will be 42 divided by 7, that is it will be 6. We have to cancel it, so b will be equal to 6. Now from equation third, we have in equation third we have supposed 1 by x is equal to u. So from equation third we have 1 by x is equal to u. So let us put the value of u here. 1 by x is equal to u, and the value of u is 14. Now cross multiply it. X will be equal to 14, and from equation fourth, in equation fourth we have 1 by y is equal to v. 1 by y is equal to v, and the value of v we have found is 6. So let us put 1 by y is equal to 6, and nothing is there, so 1 will be in denominator. Now cross multiply it. Then y multiplied by this will be 14x. 14x will be equal to 1. Then this implies that x will be equal to 1 upon 14, because 1 by x is equal to v. 1 by x is equal to v, then u, then 1 by x will be equal to the value of u is 14. So when we cross multiply it, then 14x will be equal to 1, and this implies that x will be equal to 1 by 14. Similarly here 6 multiplied by y will be equal to 1, and this implies that y will be equal to 1 by 6. Hence we have got the solution. X is equal to 1 upon 14 and y is equal to 1 upon 6. This is your final solution for the given pair of equations. From equation fourth we have found the value of y, and from equation third we have found the value of x, and x is equal to 1 by 14 and y is equal to 1 by 6. This is your final answer. Now let us see the question of type third based on elimination method, and your question is you have to solve it for x and y, where the pair of equation is 22 by x plus y plus 15 by x minus y is equal to 5, and 55 by x plus y plus 45 by x minus y is equal to 40. Now let us see how it will be solved. So this equation 22 by x plus y can be written as 22 multiplied by 1 by x plus y, when 21 multiplied by 1 will be 22 and upon x plus y. So, and this can be written as 15 into 1 upon x minus y is equal to 5. This is your equation first, and similarly this can be written as 55 multiplied by 1 by x plus y plus 45 multiplied by 1 by x minus y is equal to 14. This is your equation second. So these type of questions can be solved in two different ways. Let us first it by putting it the value of 1 by x plus y. यहाँ पे ध्यान देने की जरूरत है कि 1 by x plus y इक्वेशन फर्स्ट में भी है, 1 by x plus y इक्वेशन सेकेंड में भी है. तो इसको हम लोग कुछ पुट कर सकते हैं, u भी कुछ भी वैल्यू इसका मान सकते हैं. उसी तरह से 1 by x minus y, 1 by x minus y दोनों इक्वेशन में है. तो यहाँ भी 1 by x minus y को हम लोग a b कुछ भी मान सकते हैं. So let us put it. We are going to put 1 by x plus y as, let us suppose it a. This will be equation third, and 1 by x minus y will be b, equation 4. Then we have now 1 by, at the place of 1 by x plus y you have to put a, so it will be 20. The equation first will become 22a. At the place of 1 by x plus y we have put a, and at the place of 1 by x minus y you have to put b, will be equal to 5. This is your equation number 5th. And similarly in second equation you have to write here 55a plus 45b is equal to 14. This is equation number 6. Now you have to solve equation 5th and 6th first, and then you have to find the value of x and y. So let us solve it first. Now you can see here in coefficient of b in equation 5th is 15, and coefficient of 6 in equation 6th is, coefficient of b is 45. Now you can see that 45 is a multiple of 15. This coefficient in equation second is a multiple of coefficient of b in equation 5th. तो यहाँ पे तुमको 45 से ज़रूरत नहीं है मल्टीप्लाई करने की, और 15 से इसको 6 को मल्टीप्लाई करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. हम लोग यहाँ पे देखते हैं कि यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं कि 15 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 3 से तो हमारा क्या आ जाएगा, 45 आ जाएगा. ठीक है, तो ये जब मल्टीपल हो, दोनों एक दूसरे का मल्टीपल, ये जो है 45 कोई भी ये चाहे ये कोफिशिएंट ऑफ b इन इक्वेशन 5th और कोफिशिएंट ऑफ b इन इक्वेशन 6th, अगर वो मल्टीपल या फैक्टर हो तो जितना बार में ये 15 से 45 कितना बार में कटेगा, 3 बार में. तो 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे अगर इक्वेशन 5th को, तो इसके बराबर आ जाएगा. हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई क्यों करते हैं, क्योंकि कोफिशिएंट्स को इक्वल करने के लिए. तो हम देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे कि 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो हमारा काम हो जाएगा. तो इसको कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है 45 से मल्टीप्लाई करने की और इसको 15 से मल्टीप्लाई करने की. इसको हम 3 से कर देंगे मल्टीप्लाई, और इसको तब 1 से करना होगा तभी 45 रहेगा. तो इस तरह से मल्टीप्लाई करके भी इक्वलाइज किया जा सकता है, लेकिन इक्वेशन 5th को पूरा को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 3 से. तो यहाँ पे लिखेंगे मल्टीप्लाइंग इक्वेशन 5th बाई 3 एंड इक्वेशन 6th बाई 1, एंड हेंस यू हैव टू चेक द साइन. तो यहाँ पे देखो प्लस साइन है, यहाँ भी प्लस साइन है, सेम साइन है, यहाँ पे सेम साइन इज देयर. सो यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट इट. सब्ट्रैक्टिंग we get, first multiply it, it will be 66a plus 45b, 3 15 3 ja 45, 3 5 ja 15, and 1, when this equation multiplied by 1, the equation will remain the same. So it will be 55a plus 45b is equal to 14. Now you have to subtract it, so you have to change the sign of both the equation of second equation. You can see plus is here, then it will be minus, and this sign will be changed into minus, and here also plus is there, so it will be changed into minus. I am writing it, plus is there, so it will change into minus, plus change into minus, and here also there is plus sign, then it will be changed into minus. Now this 45b plus and 45b minus will be cancelled, so we have eliminated b, and now you have to subtract 6 minus 5 will be 1, 6 minus 5 will be 1, and a is there, so it will remain the same, and 15 minus 14 will be 1. This implies that your a will be equal to 1 upon 11. Now you have to put the value of a in equation, either in equation 5th or in equation 6th. So put the value of a 1 by 11 in equation 5th. We are going to put the value of a in equation 5th. So it will become 1122 multiplied by, at the place of a you have to put 1 upon 11, and plus b, 15b is there, is equal to 5. Now you can cancel this 22 by 11 in 2 times. So it will be 15b is here, and we have to transfer these two from LHS to RHS. So it will be 5 minus 2. This implies that 15b is equal to 3. 5 minus 2 is 3, and then the b will be equal to 3 by 15. Now it can be cancelled. 3 1 ja 3 and 3 5 ja 15. So you have got the value of b, which is equal to 1 upon 5. Now we have found the value of a and b, and this value of a and b have to be put in equation 3rd and 4th to get the another equation. Let us solve it now. From equation 3rd we have, in equation 3rd you have 1 by x plus y is equal to a. So write here 1 by x plus y is equal to a, and the value of a you have finded out is equal to, the value of a is 1 by 11. So write here 1 by 11. Now cross multiply it. So x plus y multiplied by 1 will be x plus y is equal to 11 multiplied by 1 will be 11. So this is your equation number 7. As we have supposed last equation was equation number 6, so it will be equation number 7. And from equation number 4 we have, in equation number 4 we have supposed 1 by x minus y is equal to b. So your 1 by x minus y will be equal to b, and the value of b is 1 by x minus y, the value of b is 1 by 5. So write here 1 by 5. Now cross multiply it. X minus y will be equal to x minus y multiplied by 1 will be x minus y, and 5 multiplied by 1 will be 5. This will be equation number 8. Now you have to solve these two equations to find the value of x and y. You can see the coefficient of both are same. Here the coefficient of y is 1, and here also the coefficient of y is 1, and the sign of both the equations are opposite. Here plus sign is there, and in equations 8 there is minus sign, so opposite sign is there, so you have to just add it. Now adding equation 7 and 8, this implies that x plus y is equal to 11 and x minus y is equal to 5. Now you have to add it, so there is no need to change the sign. This minus plus y and minus y will be cancelled, and you will get x plus x will be 2x, and 11 plus 5 will be 16. This implies that x will be equal to 16 by 2. 2 8 ja 16, and this implies that x will be equal to 8. Now put the value of x is equal to 8 in either in equation 7 or in equation 8 to get the value of y. So let us put it in equation 7, in equation number 7. So x plus y is equal to 11 is in equation 7, so you have to put the value of x, which is 8, plus y will be equal to 11, and this implies that y will be equal to 11 minus 8. This implies that y is equal to 3. Hence we have got the value of x and y, which is x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 3. So in this way you can solve this type of question, and you can also solve it directly. This type of question can be solved directly also. So let us solve it directly again. If you have to solve it directly, then let us see how it will be solved. Another way to solve. Type third. Okay, so let us write the equation first. 22 by x plus y is given, and 55 by x minus y is given in equation. This is your equation first, and second equation is 55 upon x plus y plus 45 upon x minus y is equal to 14. This is your equation second. Now same process will be there, but we are going to solve it directly. Now you have to see what is here. 15 is here. 15 is the coefficient of 1 by x minus y in equation first, and 45 is the coefficient of 1 by x minus y in equation second, and 45 is the multiple of 15. As you can see, 15 when multiplied by 3 will be equal to 45. So let us multiply equation first by 3 to get the coefficient of 1 by x minus y as 45, and इक्वेशन सेकेंड बाई 1. यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. यहाँ पे 45 जो है कोफिशिएंट है 15 का, तो 15 से ये 45 3 टाइम्स में कट जाएगा, तो 3 से इक्वेशन फर्स्ट को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे और इक्वेशन सेकेंड को 1 से. 45 डिवाइडेड बाई 45 विल बी 1. सो द इक्वेशन सेकेंड इज टू बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 1. नाउ लेट अस मल्टीप्लाई इट. वी गेट I am not going to write it here because it will take more page, so I am going to multiply it directly. You have to write in your homework book notebook. So 3 multiplied by 22 will be 66 by x plus y, plus 3 multiplied by 15 will be 45 by x minus y, and 3 5 ja 15. This is equation first. And now when one multiply the equation second by 1, it will remains the same. X plus y, 45 by x minus y is equal to 14. Now you have to subtract it because the same sign is there. If same sign is there, same sign, then you have to subtract it. So let us subtract it. To subtract, you have to change the sign. Here plus sign is there, then it will be changed into minus. This plus sign will be changed into minus. Here nothing is there, then plus, and it will be changed into minus. Now 45 by x minus y is plus, and minus 45 by x minus y is there, so it will be cancelled. Then you will got, now you have to subtract it. 6 minus 5 will be 1, and 6 minus 5 will be 1. Numerator will be subtracted from numerator, and the denominator will be same because LCM will be same. And this will be equal to 15 minus 14, which is equal to 1. Now cross multiply it. X plus y, when multiplied by 1, it will be x plus y is equal to 11 multiplied by 1 will be 11. Now this will be equation number third. The equation you have got in previous method, equation number, you have got the equation number 7 in previous method. That will be equation number third here. And now you have to put the value of x plus y in any equation, either in equation first or in equation second. So let us put x plus y is equal to 11 in equation first. So it will be 22 upon the value of x plus y is 11. So you have to put here 11 plus 15 by x minus y is equal to 5. Now you can cancel it, this 22 by 11 in 2 times. So it will be 15 by x minus y is equal to 5, and this will transfer to RHS will be 5 minus 2. Then you will get 15 by x minus y is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Now you have to cross multiply it. X minus y when multiplied by, now you can cancel it. It will be better to cancel it. 3 1 ja 3 and 3 5 ja 15. So now cross multiply it. X minus y multiplied by 1 will be x minus y, and 1 multiplied by 5 will be 5. So it will be equation number 4. Now solve equation third and fourth. You can see the coefficient of y in both the equation are same. Here the coefficient of y is 1, and here in equation number 4 the coefficient of y is also 1, and the sign are opposite. There is plus sign and here is minus sign. So you have to add equation third and fourth. Now adding equation third and fourth, we get right here equation third, x plus y is equal to 11 and x minus y is equal to 5. Now you can see you have to add it, so there is no need to change the sign. This plus y and minus y will be cancelled. Then you will get x plus x will be 2x and 11 plus 5 will be 16. This implies that x will be equal to 16 upon 2, and this will be cancelled. Then you will get x is equal to 8. Now put the value of x in equation, either in equation third or in equation fourth. Now putting x is equal to 8 in equation third, then we will get x plus y is equal to 11. This implies that 8 plus y will be equal to 11, and this implies that y is equal to 11 minus 8, that is y is equal to 3. Hence we have got the final solution, which is x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 3. This is your final answer. So in this way you can also solve this type of question, that is type third question can be solved in this way directly also. Okay, in next class we will discuss the type 4 questions given in your exercise.